ready to meet some dolphins? Alright, that's great news because here they come. Starting us off clean along the perimeter of the pool, showing off some serious, we're going to get a dolphin style hello. I mentioned our oldest is 42 years old. Here she is showing off for you now, Sandy! And up next, let's see who we're going to meet. And it looks like we're going to see some speed from one of our teenagers that loves to go fast. She's going to be coming along the glass so you can get a good look at her. There she goes now, that's Captain! And last but not least, we're going to see a very special dolphin as she is our only common dolphin. Flying through the air, please say hello to Bullet! It looks like she changed her mind. All right, well throughout the segment you can tell Bullet apart by her petite stripes. Here she is now in her beautiful stripe coloration. Now let's not forget about our dedicated trainers that care for our animals each and every day. Please say hello to our training team. Now ladies and gentlemen, these animals have a lot of energy and love to have fun. So right now let's watch as they show us how they celebrate life. All right, everyone, we just got to meet some of the dolphins that call this area home. Now we'd like to give you a little bit of insight into how we get to show you all those special things that we do with them. So each and every dolphin, here they are with that big dolphin greeting. Each and every dolphin that you see has a unique personality. They all have different likes, different dislikes, and it's our job as trainers, and it's my favorite part of this job, to get to know that about each and every animal. So, how do you do that? How do you build a relationship with a 500-pound animal that lives in the water? Well, these guys are giving us a little glimpse of that right now. It's that time we spend together to learn these unique personalities. Tell us a little bit more about that and maybe get someone up a little bit closer to start their own relationship. I see my friend Todd. Hey, Todd.
That loud! Hi everybody, I'm Todd. You know that now. All right, thank you for being patient. Now my microphone is working. What we were saying is that one of our favorite things to do is spend quiet time with our animals and build that relationship. Obviously, we do that every single day, but today, we're gonna start with a very special volunteer. So right before the show, we picked one out. Is that you, buddy? Who's the volunteer? Like right here? Come on down, buddy. Tell me what your name is, sir. Isaiah? Isaiah, where are you visiting from? From California. Me too. I grew up right here in San Diego. I came to SeaWorld when I was your age, and I'm still here, and I love it. So right now, we're going to meet a very special dolphin. Which dolphin do we get to meet today? Looks like we're going to meet Sandy. Now, Sandy is one of my favorite dolphins. She's the oldest one in this pool, 42 years young. Give her a great big wave like this, all right? Perfect, Isaiah. Now take your fingers just like this and bounce up and down as she comes by. She's singing you a song! Okay. And put your hands flat on the surface of the water just like this. She's gonna come underneath you, you can touch her back, okay? Give her a little back rub. Oh, it's beautiful. Now for the benefit of all these nice people out here who are not touching the dolphin right now, Isaiah, what does she feel like? Soft. That's a very good way to describe it. Soft and smooth. Their skin is always regenerating, and that keeps them hydrodynamic. So see this squid? Toss those squid right in her mouth, all right? There you go. Keep doing it. Don't stop the music. She wants more squid. Sandy can eat anywhere from about 20 to 30 pounds of fish in a day. And squid. One more. Very nice. You like that, didn't you? Okay. Now, Isaiah, guess what? You have a problem. Come on down here. Smell your hands. What do they smell like? Fish and squid. Occupational hazard. Take your hands just like that. Rub them together. Get real warm. Wipe it on your shirt. Yeah. It's gonna be a nice car ride home. That's pretty funny. Okay, buddy. Let's dance with her. Let's both turn in a circle. Just like this. Cool, you're dancing with the dolphin. Okay, and we have one more thing for you to do. You're kind of a celebrity. All these people want your picture now. I just stand right here, okay? Now, just turn around and look out there. The hardest part is to smile that way when the dolphin's waving behind you. She's going to use her flukes to wave. I'm going to get out of the way. Go ahead, smile. Oh, no! Oh, my gosh! I said, what is happening, Isaiah? Did you tell her to do that? I had no idea that was going to happen. Oh my goodness. What a sassy little dolphin. All right, we're going to go ahead and say goodbye to Sandy. Isaiah, you did a great job. How about a huge round of applause for Isaiah and volunteer. Back to you, Jackie.
Thanks, Todd. Now we just got to spend some time with some of our dolphins that live here, but we have another animal that lives here as well. It's time to meet our short-fin pilot whales. Pilot whales are found throughout our global oceans and are close relatives to both dolphins and killer whales. Right now I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the whales that you'll be meeting today. Man with a very special story. He was rescued after stranding off a beach in Japan and lived at a facility there with dolphins for the next few years. Finally, in the interest of living with animals of his own species, he came here to join us, and he's been with us ever since. Now, just over a year ago, Argo's story got a lot more exciting as he was joined by 3 new pilot whales, Ava, Ace, and Piper. These 3 were all unfortunately part of a mass stranding event, and due to their very young age were deemed non-releasable. They were all estimated to be between 3 and 6 months old. Once they were rehabilitated, they came here from Florida. They joined Argo, and they are now one thriving pilot whale pod. Our introduction with them all was slow and methodical, giving each whale one-on-one time with Argo, who was very established here, so they could all have a solid foundation. Pilot whales have a zest for life, they're curious and social, and always love a little playtime, which just happens to be one of the best ways for us to build our relationship with them, and also for us to share them with each of you. So right now, please join me as our trainers share a very special moment with Argo and his friends, Ava, Ace, and Piper.